What's up, everyone? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and just want to do a quick video for you today, and more talk about perspective and goals as opposed to actual individual crypto price targets, because honestly, nothing's changed since yesterday for the most part in regards to price points on the upside and downside with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and so on. So instead, what I really want to talk about is more so a um, overarching lesson in investing and specifically crypto, but we'll use Litecoin as an example. So there's a couple things you need to really decide when you start investing in anything, especially cryptocurrency, and that is one, what are you trying to do? Are you actively trading every day? Are you building a long-term portfolio? Are you trying to build positions that you can essentially like trade around, like swing trade? And also, what is your risk tolerance? So once you figure out what it is exactly you're trying to accomplish, then you have a shot at being successful. If you don't have a clear goal going in, it's going to be a hot mess, trust me. So looking at this Litecoin chart, there's many different things that we can talk about in regards to like scenarios and avenues to investing. But let's just say that you're looking to build a long-term position in Litecoin and want to do that at the best prices you can. Well, first thing you can do is basically put orders in at support levels. Put bids at support levels. So you're essentially always buying when Litecoin pulls back to a support level. Now, if it holds there, really doesn't matter because again, you're building a long-term position. And would you rather be buying at support levels, which generally means a pullback, because that's how we get back down to a support level, or buying randomly after we get bounces or rip, higher? Obviously, you want to buy on pullbacks. There's that saying, buy on dips, sell on rips. Well, this is kind of a way to do it. So, you know, you look at Litecoin. Obviously, we have this big support here at 110. One, two, three times. Obviously it hit a bunch of times in between, but three separate large occasions. Can we pull back and break it? Sure, we could. But if I'm looking to begin a long-term position in Litecoin from scratch, where do I want to buy? Well, I'm putting some bids in this 110 area. If we pull back there again and test it, sweet, I get in. If it holds and bounce, then guess what? I just got a kick-ass price. If it doesn't and it cracks, oh well, it is what it is. I bought a portion of my position. I'm not 100% loading up here, and I have orders in at the next level, which looks like what is this? 95, we'll call. Yeah, 95. Looks like we got a little top and then a little bottom before this crazy parabolic move back in Crazy Town in December of last year. So, boom, pull back to the next level. Get some more support. Same thing, God forbid we keep breaking down. Boom, 85. And here's the thing, not every investment's going to be a winner, but you rather put yourself in a better position. So if we were to completely break down, and let's say just worst case scenario, Litecoin goes all the way back down to $50. You've got in at 110, 95, and 85 as opposed to getting in at 150. Or how about this? We bounced off the, bottom here in April off 110. Oh, look at this. We're good. Boom. Pull back. Look at that. We're ripping. Oh, it's go time. We're going back over 200. Sweet. Let's buy here on the breakout of this top. Oh, we just got screwed. Yeah. So if you want to basically play it super safe and risk adverse and you're building a long-term position, that's the way I would go about it. But then again, that is why I am the Scaredy Cat Guide. I am more risk averse than I am press, and get uber aggressive. So I tend to lose a lot less on the down moves, but I might not make as much when we're soaring higher like this. And then I watch everyone give it all back. Anyway, um, I digress. So just kind of wanted to talk about that principle. Know going in what your goal is in terms of what type of investing slash trading you want to do, and then act accordingly. I obviously just gave a example of how I'd go about building a longer term position in a crypto that may be even pulling back. And like I said, the best part is we're buying at support levels. So when it bounces off one of those support levels, boom, we're in the green just like that. So again, just food for thought. So I will put a link in the video show notes for the free crypto trading stuff that I have out there. Feel free to dive in and get your learn on. All right, see you on the next video.